Hello, today you're looking at a Clinton 500 amp 0 to 6 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been fully tested and checked out by our electrician here. Great running condition, we'll get that going for you in a second. As you can see, it is remote powered, air cooled as well. Show you the nameplate. We'll take a look at the inside really quick. Great condition in here. Overall dimensions, 36 inches length, 27 inches width, 72 inches high. This is wired for 480 volts, 3-phase. Total weight is 465 pounds. We'll get that going for you right now. Bring you guys over to the O-scope. Great running condition. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.